The Daniel fast is a biblical fast where you refrain from eating certain foods.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip.
Hey queens, it's your girl Tayani Elise, and we are back with another video. Today, well, this entire week, I'm doing the Daniel fast, and I'm gonna take y'all and show y'all everything that I'm gonna be eating this week, and really for the next 21 days. But tonight, we getting our grub on because I'm about to eat real good because the next 21 days are gonna be stressful, but we're gonna get through it. I'm gonna show y'all the meals that I make for myself tonight before I actually start the fast, and my boyfriend's doing it too. Ta-da! Rotisserie chicken, brown rice, and broccoli. That's my meal before we start this 21 days. I made cookies. So I'm going all in, y'all. I have until 11:59. So first I cut up my potatoes and onions because we are going to cook them together. Next I cut up my squash and my zucchini. Next, throw the potatoes and onions in a pan together and start cooking them. And we're going to actually cook the zucchini and squash separately. Cut open your avocado and cut it up. And then you also are going to cut your tomatoes and mix them together. I then took my wheat tortilla and my hummus. I had the red pepper hummus. And then I started to spread it on my tortilla. I added the mix of avocado and tomatoes. And then I added the potatoes. Then I added the squash, and then it was time to roll it. You can slow down the video if you need a little more instruction on how to roll it. I used to work at Chipotle, so you know that's that expertise coming out, okay? In this moment, I was just happy because I knew it was gonna be good. I have to drink this amount of water every day, and I think it's 72 ounces. It's a lot, but shout out to my boyfriend for getting me this for Christmas. And now we're about to taste what I made.
There's nothing like hitting the waves. My skin was so irritated.
It tastes really good. It is day 2 of my Daniel fast, and it is about 11 o'clock right now, and we are going to make a smoothie. Last night for dinner, I actually ended up just eating the rest of the potatoes and some fruit. So today I'm gonna make a smoothie. Hopefully it turns out right. Your girl just found out that you can have almond milk or oats milk during the Daniel fast. So I just ordered some from Instacart along with some granola for my smoothie, and we about to hook it up then. But while I wait for my food to come, I'm gonna hook up these beans. So I put them in some water overnight because they're supposed to expand. And now I'm going to put them in the crock pot for my dinner tonight. Add the beans to the crock pot, but make sure you drain the water beforehand. Add your minced garlic and all the other seasonings that you will need, and then you will mix them all up. And when you add the water, be sure to fill it so it covers the beans. Add your salt and pepper, and then you're done. I let it sit for 6 hours, and I added some more seasonings later on. So my food is here, and it's time to make the smoothies. So I have my almond milk, I have my granola. I'm so excited. I hope it's good. I don't know, but I hope it's good. Okay, so I had frozen berries, and then I also have real berries, but I might save these to eat because I just found out, I was yesterday years old when I found out that I actually like raspberries. So I'm not a big fan of blackberries. They taste very sour, but like for this fast, they can be like, what's the things? My sour gummy worms. That's cool. So I also have bananas here. I don't know how much, y'all. I don't measure, so I'm just gonna pour some in here. Hopefully that's enough. I'm gonna add some berries in there. I don't even like bananas. I really don't like bananas, but I just felt like it will add some texture, so I cut up 1 banana for this. Hopefully it doesn't overpower, or it's probably gonna be yuck and I'm just gonna have to eat it anyway, but all right, and here goes nothing. So I got a little stuck, so I had to mix it up. It's good. I don't know, I feel like I want something that's more sweet. So I'm gonna try adding some real strawberries in there. Taste-wise, that is really good, but now I feel like it's watery because usually you'll use yogurt. So I'm gonna try to put some ice in it to see if that changes. We about to see. Are we just figuring it out? Let's see. Just a tip that we learned today. Ice does help with the consistency, making it a little more thick, but it does melt. It's like becoming watery quick. So I gotta eat this quick. It's pretty good. Today's snack. It's dark, but as a snack, I'm eating a vegan sushi roll. All it has is avocado, brown rice, and carrots. And I put ginger on top. Pretty good, you know. It's not what I normally would get, but it'll do for what I'm going through in this fast. Alright, y'all. So I'm at Kava. The Viking is not great, but everyone knows I love Kava. I go to Kava like twice a week. Guilty. It's my guilty pleasure. I'm going to do a Daniel Fast style. So I'm not going to get like meat. I'm not going to get the pita chips, even though I love the pita chips. I'm just going to get a whole bunch of veggies and stuff. And hopefully it's good. I get a bowl with spinach and brown rice. And can I get the red pepper? Yeah, harissa, sorry. The red pepper. What is this one? The red pepper? Yeah, that one. And then the regular hummus. Yeah. Okay, can I get that on the side? Like a side of it? The veggies? Are the veggies good? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try them. Can I get the tomatoes? Yeah. And then can I get the corn? Okay. Okay, before I put it in my bowl, I'm gonna taste the veggies. Let's see. Yeah, they vegetables aren't. Okay, so I was today years old when I found out tahini Caesar doesn't have any dairy and all that. Like, tahini's made out of sesame seeds and lemon juice, and a whole bunch of other stuff. I read the ingredients. So I actually can eat it on my bowl, but I'm also gonna try this other dressing that I was gonna get when I didn't know that. If y'all know something I don't about what I'm eating, just let me know. Oh yeah, this is good. Daniel Fast meal. Kava, you know, Kava be looking out. This is the 7th day of my Daniel fast, and it is about 11:30. I am eating oatmeal. So I'm just gonna talk to y'all. Some people may not know what the Daniel fast is, so I just wanted to talk about it a little bit. The Daniel fast is a biblical fast where you refrain from eating certain foods. So you can't eat meat. You can't eat anything with added sugars. You can't eat anything with flour, like nothing like chips or anything like that. You can't eat any dairy products, no eggs or anything like that. You can only eat veggies. There's a long list, and maybe I'll put something here so you can see what you can eat. But you can only eat veggies, fruit, nuts. You can eat anything that is like whole wheat or anything that's like whole grain. So if you have like a tortilla with whole grain, that's whole grain or whole wheat or whatever. You can eat brown rice, but you can't eat white rice. So the list goes on, but you're basically restricted on what you can eat. But the whole purpose of it is so you can gain clarity from God. Like the Daniel fast is a great fast to do when you're just trying to gain clarity and direction and understanding from God. Usually while you do the fast, you will read the book of Daniel, which is 12 chapters long. The fast is supposed to be 21 days. It's not an easy one, so be patient with yourself. But yeah, so far I've gained a lot of clarity through this fast. Oh, and I also forgot to say you can only drink water. But tonight I'm gonna eat leftovers from, the hummus wrap that I showed y'all in a few clips back. So I guess that wraps up this video, and let me know how y'all enjoy these recipes. If you try them, come back here and comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And as I always say, girls, don't forget to keep it cute, and guys, don't forget to keep it handsome. Bye.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn.